Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have a kitchen essential that you probably use every day but might not have put much thought into: Dixie paper plates. These are the Dixie paper plates, 8.5-inch, dinner-size printed disposable plate, 90 count. They're not just any paper plates. They're the best paper plates available, and I'm going to tell you why. First off, let's talk about the basics. These Dixie paper plates come in a pack of 90, which means you'll have plenty to last for a while. No need to constantly restock your supply. Now, what sets these apart from the rest? Well, for starters, they have a new and attractive design, making your mealtime more enjoyable. And they've upgraded their design without compromising on strength. These plates are 2x stronger than the leading comparable store brand 10 inches paper plate. So, you can pile on your favorite dishes without worrying about them collapsing. Speaking of strength, these plates are not just strong, they're also cut resistant and microwave safe. You can microwave your leftovers without any worries. Whether it's a regular family dinner, a picnic with friends, or even a big party, these 8.5-inch plates are the perfect size for any occasion. They can handle anything from salad dressing to burger grease, thanks to their soak-proof shield. Now, let's talk about value. At just $5.99 for 90 plates, that's only 7 cents per plate. That's an incredible deal for the quality and convenience these Dixie paper plates offer. And the best part is, you can get them delivered right to your doorstep through Amazon.com. Plus, if you buy 4 select items, you can save an extra 5%. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to stock up on other disposable essentials, Amazon has you covered with related products like Hefty Party on disposable plastic cups and Bounty paper napkins. To sum it up, Dixie paper plates, 8.5-inch, dinner-size printed disposable plate, 90 count, are the best paper plates you can find. They're strong, stylish, and convenient, making your mealtime hassle-free. So, why settle for ordinary paper plates when you can have the best? Head over to Amazon.com and grab your pack of Dixie paper plates today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. Until next time, happy dining!